Hey everyone, so this is the part 2 video of my TCA cross and peel treatment. So basically this is my aftercare routine after the procedure, but honestly I accidentally deleted the original video, so I created a new one. So this was actually my day one. So let's get started. Alright, so first I will use the Banish Serum. So this is a vitamin C and E dark spot corrector. And by the way, everyone, just as disclaimer, so this is just my own routine. I am not advising you to do the same, especially if you have sensitive skin, because it is not really advisable to use any active ingredients like vitamin C, retinol, etc. After TCA treatment because it can cause skin irritation. So you may use niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, or just petroleum jelly for your aftercare. But in my case, since my skin doesn't have any bad reaction with my routine, so I'm okay with it, so don't worry. Alright, and then next is Banish Fighter Gel. So this product is good for treating active pimples and preventing pimples as well. So I am using this product after my TCA treatment to calm my skin for redness and also to avoid skin irritation. Then next is the Banish Vitamin C Cream. So this is my moisturizer, plus it will also help to lighten your skin like hyperpigmentation, dark spots, pimple marks, and melasma, because this product has alpha arbutin, which will also help especially after TCA treatment because it may develop hyperpigmentation on the skin. Also, we need to keep our skin well hydrated and moisturized because TCA will dry our skin, and of course for faster skin healing process. And lastly, sunflower oil from Human Heart Nature. So this is the new product that I am trying and added in my routine. So this product will also moisturize, lighten, and soothes our skin. And also, if you cannot afford the Banish products yet, especially for my Filipino viewers, you can use this product alone. And if you want to check out these products, the links are available in the description box. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. So please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Mwah.